हाय, आई एम कुणाल रागिनवार। एग्जैक्टली फ्राइडे का सिनेरियो हमने यहाँ पे मार्क किया। व्हेन दिस ब्रोक डाउन it went all the way up, so this is not a 3 minute pivot, but if you mark the day's low like this, you can clearly see that this is a breakdown, a 3 minute pivot, and then another breakdown. This is a valid setup because all the price action and the pivot action is happening behind the day's low. ये जो लो है इसके नीचे सब प्राइस एक्शन हो रहा है। तो फ्राइडे को हमने एक सिंपल सेटअप बात किया था फॉर द शॉर्ट साइड एंड अ सेटअप फॉर द लॉन्ग साइड। यू कैन हैव अ लुक एट द फ्राइडे वीडियो, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड अ लॉट। वील हैव अ लुक एट कि एग्जैक्टली आज क्या हुआ मार्केट में एंड व्हाट वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट फॉर टुमारो। बट बिफोर आई स्टार्ट, प्लीज शेयर, लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल। सो नाउ वेलकम टू द गेम चेंजर्स। तो बैंक निफ्टी में, दिस इज द बैंक निफ्टी चार्ट। सी वी हैव मार्क दिस सिनेरियो हियर, राइट? एग्जैक्टली फ्राइडे का सिनेरियो हमने यहां पे मार्क किया। व्हेन दिस ब्रोक डाउन it went all the way up, so this is not a 3 minute pivot, but if you mark the day's low like this, you can clearly see that this is a breakdown, a 3 minute pivot, and then another breakdown. This is a valid setup because all the price action and the pivot action is happening behind the day's low. ये जो लो है इसके नीचे सब प्राइस एक्शन हो रहा है, विच इज द गुड साइन। नाउ सो दिस वॉज द वैलिड सेटअप, दिस वॉज योर स्टॉप एंड योर टारगेट इज वेरी वेरी इजिली अचीव्ड। सो दिस वॉज अ वेरी सिंपल डे। दिस मेक्स इट अ लिटिल बिट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड फॉर द अपकमिंग डेज, क्योंकि अभी 2 ट्रेंड डे हो गए बैक टू बैक, सो it can get a little bit complicated. Now what you should do is reduce your risk. So it's currently 227. So depending on the last hour of action, by chance अगर एक ऐसी bullish candle आ गई, then our scenarios will change, will differ. मतलब क्या? If that happens, we will mark the day's high, we will mark the day's low, and we'll wait for a 3 minute pivot. Okay, that is in case there is a sharp rally. If there is no rally, what we are going to see is, as usual, we are going to mark the day's low. If a 3 minute pivot breaks down and forms, that is when we are going to short. If in case there is no rally, for the long scenario, we will go long only and only if there is some kind of gap up. And after the gap up, we want a 3 minute pivot and then a breakout. Okay? You can have a look at the video again so that you can understand. Maybe I've been a little bit too fast, but you can go and watch the video again so that you will get a clarity of what we are trying to do. Now, if you ask me, currently in the market environment, everything looks bad, right? This everything looks bad wala scenario na is a really good opportunity in the market that the bulls are getting. मतलब क्या? When the weak hands get out of the market has a lot of probability to again turn on the upside for the longer term. There are my weekend videos which I have told as to how a market bottoms. You can have a look at that. You will get an understanding of what actually is happening in today's market. Chalo, bye. See you tomorrow.